ask yourself a question: why some people are really good at what they do and reach consistently great results in comparison to the rest of specialists in their area? Well, I've been absolutely fascinated by this question and spent a lot of time researching it. And what I realized is this: true specialists with special skills and deep knowledge work out the structures, the systems of their trades, and then apply these structures and systems on a consistent basis. This allows them to bring consistently amazing results over and over again. Hello, my dearest friends. My name is Svetlana Shlapak, and I'm a senior immigration solicitor based in London, UK. And I'm also the creator of this free ukvisasuccess.com channel. I won my first immigration case at the tribunal back in 2003, and this gives me over 15 years of experience in UK immigration field. I've created another special video series for you called Deconstructing Immigration Rules, where I've deconstructed over 30 immigration categories for you. I've created this video series with only one aim: to help you understand the structure of immigration rules, because knowing the structure always helps achieve astonishing results. And for those of you who want to see how to apply this structure in practice, you can also check my other video series where I show you how to do exactly that. It is called ukvisasuccess.com frequently asked questions. Okay, let us deconstruct your next immigration category. And yes, my friends, immigration law is a very, very deep area of law. I can only take so much of your time during each video, and as much as I love to, I have to be very succinct and choose the most important parts to explain to you during these videos. If after watching these videos you decide that you would like to know more, please visit ukvisasuccess.com more, as at this page I've provided you with the links to great free in-depth material which will help you on your way to success with your immigration matter. In order for you to succeed with your entry clearance application as a partner of a British citizen, you need to follow 5 steps. The first one is you must be outside the UK. Entry clearance applications mean that visa applications made from outside the UK. Secondly, you must have made a valid application for entry clearance as a partner. Thirdly, you must meet all the suitability, and fourthly, all the eligibility requirements. And finally, you must understand and strictly adhere to the immigration conditions which will be imposed on your stay when your application is granted. The first one is you must be outside the UK. Well, this one is a pretty simple one. You can only make your entry clearance applications if you are outside the UK. The second one, you must have made a valid application for entry clearance as a partner. All this means is that you have to follow the correct procedure when making the application. And I'm going to share one secret with you here. The procedure for any type of immigration law application is always the same. It always consists of 5 steps, and here they are. The first one, you have to always complete the correct form. The second one, you have to pay the correct fee, which if you're applying from outside will be in local currency. Third one, you have to submit it to the designated post. It means you have to submit it to the right place. And of course, with online applications, it's not a problem because they will directly to the right place. But if you're sending your application by post or submitting it, you have to make sure that this is submitted to the correct place. And you have to make sure that you submit your application together with all the supporting documents. And finally, if you're a visa national, you will also need to enroll your biometric information. Which form to complete? Well, there are actually, with entry clearance applications for spouses or partners of British citizens, there are actually 2 forms to complete. The first one is the online form. Unless you're from North Korea, then you will need to complete the paper version of the online form. And the second form is called Appendix 2 of the VAFA form. And here is the fee. The current fee is, as you can see, £1,523 per applicant. And you will need to pay the same amount for each dependent who is applying with you. But the thing is with the fees is that they are constantly changing, and the Home Office updates them on a regular basis. Let me show you the way of checking your current fee for making any type of application. All you need to do is go to www.gov.uk/visa-fees and then follow this very easy and simple process. Let's say you are a Ukrainian national and you are a spouse of a British citizen and you would like to join him or her in the UK. Because this route eventually leads to your settlement in the UK, you choose settlement in this box here. And for the purposes of immigration rules, a British citizen spouse is considered to be a settled person, and therefore you choose family of settled people, brackets settlement. Then you ask to choose a subtype, and it will be family visas joining your partner, parent, proposed civil partner. And this is your answer. You will need to pay 2,034 US dollars. I suppose the fee is quoted in US dollars only to help visa nationals relate and understand how much it actually is. But when you make an actual application, you will have to pay the fee in a local currency. The next key element of the application is to meet all the suitability requirements. Suitability requirements are all about you being a suitable person to enter and remain in the UK. There are a number of grounds for refusal on suitability grounds, and they will normally be triggered when there was a conviction, expulsion, deportation, dishonesty, and other similar activities. The next key element of the application is your ability to meet the eligibility requirements. Eligibility requirements consist of 4 key elements: relationship requirement, a financial requirement, accommodation requirement, and English language requirement. Financial aspect of spouse visa application is one of the biggest reasons for refusal of spouse visa applications, and I've created a special free masterclass teaching you how to comply with this particular rule correctly. The details of my next free masterclass are available together with a free mind map to download and will be given to you when you follow the link in the description. And if your application is successful, you will be granted leave to enter for 33 months. And it is very important for you to remember that your stay in the UK will be conditional. In other words, there will be certain conditions imposed on your stay, and the condition is no recourse to public funds. In other words, you will not be allowed to claim any benefits when your application is granted and when you are in the UK. If you do claim benefits, then your visa may be curtailed. Curtailed is a legal term for cancelling your visa. Watch my next video if you would like to know the structure of your further leave to remain application as a spouse of a British citizen. And once again, just to remind you that at ukvisasuccess.com/more, I've provided you with a number of links to free resources which I've created to help you understand the UK immigration law better. Have a great day, everyone.